Hi everyone! Napakalaki ng na-avail naming student discount when we bought this MacBook Air dito sa PowerMac. Kaya naman gusto naming i-share itong experience na to para na rin sa mga nag-iisip kung saan ba bibili or paano ba makakamura bumili ng MacBook or iba pang Apple devices. So ito ipakita ko sa inyo yung actual unboxing na ginawa namin sa mismong PowerMac store. And may tips si Kuya tungkol sa tamang pag-charge ng MacBook. So 1-year warranty.
1-year warranty. Ang cover ng warranty is software and hardware related. Physical damage not included po. Water damage hindi po included. 3.5mm. Dalawang C-type MagSafe po.
MagSafe na siya.
Yes po. So, physical check lang sir, naka-power test lang.
Sige.
Open natin sir yung screen.
Lang nito is yung braided. Meron din siyang
braided, tsaka yung adapter po. Try ko na rin to sir.
Sige. Braided na siya. Unlike yung M1,
C-type. Pero pagka, sir, kunyari nasira to or nakalimutan mo, pwede pa rin mag-charge ng C-type.
Pwede ka mag-charge dito.
Kunyari yung phone mo, may charger. Hindi nga lang ganun kabilis kasi yung adapter mo.
Sige.
So, yung indicator niya, sir, ayan. So, naka-MagSafe ka na before, ganito.
Hindi, yan yung first ko na MagSafe.
So, pag tatanggalin mo siya, sir, much better, mas paangat lang.
Paangat lang.
Kasi yung ibang tao kasi hugot, nawawala yung tibay ng magnet natin. So paangat lang siya.
Paangat lang siya. Okay, that's good. So ito, sasabihin ko na sa inyo kung magkano yung na-discount namin from PowerMac. Naka-discount kami ng 13,000 pesos from the original price. Actually, mas mababa pa nga ang naging presyo ng PowerMac dahil sa student discount. Kung ikukumpara ko sa mga prices na inoffer sa akin ng mga online sellers at shops sa Green Hills. Ang model na nakuha namin ay itong MacBook Air M2 na 13.6 inch with 16GB memory and 256 SSD storage. Mas mataas ang memory nito kumpara sa base or pinakamababang model ng MacBook Air M2 na meron lamang 8GB memory. Mas okay nga itong 16GB RAM and 256 SSD kasi the bigger the memory and bigger storage, much better. Silver mode. Itong silver yung pinili namin kasi yung midnight ay masyadong fingerprint magnet. From 66,990 SRP dun sa PowerMac, we got this for only 53,990. Diba ang laki-laki ng nasave namin? That is almost 20% discount or 19.4% to be exact. Sa mga store sa Green Hills na nakausap ko, ang bigay sa amin ay 56,000 pesos. Sa ibang online sellers naman, mas mataas pa sa 56K ang bigayan for this particular variant. So, binili namin to bandang December ng 2024. Well, in fairness to Green Hills, nakabili din naman kami doon ng heavily discounted na Apple devices. For this particular MacBook purchase, we are fortunate to find a better deal sa PowerMac using the student discount. So, what are the requirements to avail the student discount? Number 1, ID ng students, and number 2, school enrollment or school registration. Either the guardian of the student or the student can buy the device. Sabi, pwede daw maka-avail ng student discount kahit hindi mo kasama anak mo or student na bibilhan mo basta dala yung ID. Pero we brought along our son, who is the student in the family, to be sure na walang magiging aberya. We were able to buy the MacBook for our child who is in grade 6. So, this means na pwede ang student discount sa elementary, not just for high school and college students. Actually, sa PowerMac website, it says even graduate course students can avail of said discount. You might also be asking kung restricted ba ang MacBook sa username or email address ng student na gagamit? The answer is no. Any email can be used to register the MacBook. You can even set up multiple users in one MacBook.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.